AWS S3 Bucket is a core storage service used in almost every cloud project. We use S3 for application logs, backups, static websites, data lakes. In real environments, S3 is simple to use, but if not configured properly, it leads to cost, security, and operational issues. Common problems, S3 Bucket. Example 1. Logs are stored continuously in S3, but no lifecycle rule is set. Storage keeps increasing. Example 2. Backup files are uploaded daily, but no retention policy is defined. Example 3. Versioning is enabled, but old versions are not deleted, doubling storage cost. Example 4. S3 Bucket is publicly accessible due to misconfigured permissions, leading to data exposure risk. Example 5. Large files are uploaded without using multipart upload, causing failures and slow performance. Example 6. No encryption is enabled, so sensitive data is stored without security compliance. Example 7. No access logging is enabled, making it difficult to track who accessed the data. Example 8. Objects are stored in the standard storage class even though they are rarely accessed, increasing cost. Example 9. No backup or replication, cross-region replication, is configured, risking data loss during region failure. Example 10. Improper IAM policies allow too many users full access, full S3 access, increasing security risks. Rare problems, S3 Bucket, real cloud engineer scenarios. Example 1. Replication loop doubling storage. Two S3 buckets are configured for cross-region replication to each other. This creates a loop where objects keep replicating back and forth, doubling storage and cost unexpectedly. Example 2. Unexpected API request spikes, monitoring tool issue. A monitoring or security tool continuously scans the S3 bucket, list GET requests. This causes a sudden spike in API requests, leading to high request charges and throttling issues. Example 3. Cross-account access misuse. Another AWS account is given access via bucket policy or IAM role. Due to misconfiguration, that account starts uploading or downloading large volumes of data, increasing cost and risk. Example 4. External application accessing bucket excessively. A third-party application or script repeatedly calls the S3 bucket, e.g., fetching same file every second. This leads to high request costs and unnecessary data transfer usage. Example 5. Data transfer cost anomalies. Data is frequently accessed from a different AWS region or over the internet. Even though storage cost looks normal, data transfer, egress, charges become very high without clear visibility. High-impact S3 problems. Now let's understand some high-impact problems in S3. These are not just technical mistakes. These can directly impact business, money, and trust. 1. Public bucket exposure. Imagine, a company stores important data in an S3 bucket. But due to a small configuration mistake, the bucket becomes public. Now, anyone on the internet can access it. This is where problems begin. 2. Sensitive data exposed publicly. If that data contains personal information or confidential files, then it's not just exposure. It becomes a serious security issue. Anyone can download that data without permission. 3. Data breach risk. And once sensitive data is exposed, it turns into a data breach. In real companies, this leads to legal issues, customer trust loss, and brand damage. 4. Massive data transfer cost. Now let's talk about cost. Sometimes, your storage cost looks normal, but suddenly, your AWS bill increases a lot. Why? Because data is being downloaded again and again. 5. Huge bill due to large downloads. Maybe an external application, or even a malicious user, is downloading large files repeatedly. Each download costs money. And slowly, the bill becomes very high, without you realizing it. 6. Accidental deletion of data. Now imagine, A simple human mistake. A developer deletes important files from S3. No backup, no versioning. And just like that, data is gone. 7. Critical backups deleted accidentally. This becomes even worse if backup files are deleted, because now there is no way to recover the data. 8. Compliance violations. Finally, many companies must follow security rules. If S3 data is not protected properly, or access is not controlled, it becomes a compliance violation, and that can lead to audits, fines, and serious business impact. Always remember, in cloud, especially in S3, a small mistake can become a very big problem.